Okay guys, sorry for delay. I am driving back and I'll be making a full pass on my way around.
Alright, have fun.
Hello Hennessey fans, welcome to another great video. My name is Alex, I'm on the team here at Hennessey and I'm very excited to be driving one of our brand new VelociRaptor Bronco 400s. These things are absolutely wicked. They do a lot of cool stuff off-road. They're really nice to drive on-road, and it takes a lot of amazing features that other off-road 4x4 machines have, and it makes them better. So, we just made a full pull down the track, and the first thing you notice is the upgraded exhaust. It has a nice, deeper, throatier tone to it, and there is a significant power increase over the factory power level. The main thing about the Bronco is not straight line speed. This vehicle was designed and engineered to be driven off-road, to be adventured in, to be a vehicle used for exploring and pushing into the wilderness. I have had the experience of driving the Bronco off-road. See some of that in our Arizona video in the white Bronco. This VelociRaptor Bronco setup does extremely well off-road, and it's so easy, by the way. In other vehicles you have a mechanical shift lever to shift into four-wheel low or high or four-wheel auto, etc. But on this vehicle it is so easy. Anybody could do it. Anybody can go drive off-road and be successful because you have the goat mode knob. All you have to do is twist it and it changes into different modes based on what you want to do. Those modes all combine into an amazing Swiss Army knife of different modes. Blasting down the track again. It gets up to highway speeds very quickly. One of the main features that this specific VelociRaptor Bronco is upgraded with is the optional 6-piston performance brake upgrade. It is a massive upgrade over stock. So, along with the aesthetics of having a nice red 6-piston caliper in the front, these upgraded brakes will stop you shorter, will stop you faster, and they'll do it time and time again. They will dissipate the heat better, they'll manage the heat better, they'll take more heat, and you can do it over and over again. So if you're driving in a spirited mode on the freeway or in the Baja Desert, you can be stopping hard and using the brakes as they were intended. And I'm going to show you right here with a full-on stop. That's pretty intense right there. There is a massive difference. I have to say, it is a really, really nice upgrade over the factory. And, you know, with the extra horsepower, you want to stop. The other features of this VelociRaptor 400 Bronco include the upgraded 18-inch Hennessey wheels and the 35-inch off-road tires. It's got the front and rear bumpers that are equipped with LED lights. We've done a lot of extensive R&D to accommodate the factory parking sensors, the factory cruise control sensor. So our upgraded LED lights are integrated into the factory switches, and then you still have 4 remaining auxiliary switches. Alright folks, there you have it, the VelociRaptor 400 Bronco with the upgraded 6-piston performance brakes and the Heritage Edition graphics. This thing is awesome. It looks great, it performs great, it's ready to go to the customer. We're really excited to deliver this thing and get ready for more Bronco content because these Broncos are coming in by the boatload. See you guys next time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Peace out.